What's up everyone, this is Shul aka Alt Crypto Gems, and in this video I'll be talking about the current market situation, analyzing some charts and showing you different types of charts, talking about my stop losses, my target points, a little bit of copy trading and much more. Now before we start, be sure to follow me on Twitter, that's at Alt Crypto Gems for all the crypto content, updates, signals and much more. And be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more educational crypto content and leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. So let's get on with the video. So first of all, we're going to talk about the 15-minute chart. As you guys have seen probably, Bitcoin has gotten a great breakout and a great pump upwards lately. And right now we're sort of consolidating and moving in the sideways action again. And the time right now that we have been moving at this time is around 4 days, 4 to 5 days. And the question is, will we break out soon or will we go back down? The volume is still not too high right now. So the question is, will we have enough volume to break out and to pump further? But I guess only time will tell. So right now, what are my targets to watch and what ranges am I watching to open longs or short? As you can see, we've been trying to break out a few times already. We've hit the resistance at around 21.4k. The resistance zone would be around 21.3 to 21.4k, which is shown in the rectangle over here. But we've tried to hit it 3 to 4 times, but we failed every time. Now we've gone down a bit now, and the question is, will we bounce back up and try to break again, or are we going down? Now, once we are going down, I'd say the zone to watch and the crucial area to hold will be at around this rectangle, which is at around 20.5k to 20.6, 20.7k. It's no big problem if we go down and if we actually move onto the support zone. But the question is, will we hold the support zone or will we go back down? Now, looking at a higher time frame of around 1 hour, we are seeing a rising wedge, as you can see. And what does a rising wedge usually means? It usually says we're starting to have an upwards momentum, which is exactly what you're seeing over here. We're sort of going up. And the question is, will we bounce? As you can see, we're right now sitting on the rising wedge pattern. And the question is, will we drop down and actually fall back further? Or are we going to bounce and move back up into the rising wedge? And if we do, then it's only a matter of time before we hit 21.5, 21.9k. And what we need to hope for is for us to have this rising wedge. And once we find the end of the wedge, then we're going to have a breakout and then up to the upwards momentum. Now, obviously, it's hard to say whether we will do this and it's hard to predict, but right now it's looking pretty okay. Like I said, a rising wedge usually means we're in an upwards momentum, and let's hope we will follow the wedge and actually break out, but only time is going to tell. Now, how can we confirm our targets? Let's look at the 4-hour time frame and see what's a hard resistance and a hard support right now. Like I said, this is the 4-hour time frame. Here you can see the upwards momentum which we've had, and we've now been consolidating for a few days. If you were to ask me, the hard resistance, which we've seen, like I said before, for 3 to 4 times right now, would be at around 21.5k. That's the crucial one to hit and to actually break to go up even further. Now, the hard support for me right now would be at around 20.6k. As you can see, we've been hitting it quite a few times right now. We've actually hit it before in November as well. We turned it out to a resistance as well over here and over here. So that's right now my hard support to watch. And it's crucial we're going to bounce back on that support if we do go down. So I get quite a few questions of people saying, so what are all your targets? Let me show you in a bit more in depth. Like I said, we've been consolidating right now. Right now we're in this triangle moving sideways, and this is the hard support. Like I said, the 21.5k mark, and the support one will be at around the 20.8 to 21k. And maybe even over here. If we do fall down, then the next support that we're in would be at around 20k. It's a physiological level as well. So it's crucial we hold it. As you can see, we had it as a previous support as well. And actually at a resistance, but we turned it into a support. So that's the next target. If we do lose that one as well, then I see us dropping down back onto 17 to 18k. Then it's crucial that we hold the 18k line, or we're going down even further. Now, the other way around, if we do continue this upwards momentum and actually break out of the resistance, then my next target would be at around 22.5k. If we're able to break 22.5k, I see us going up and we might actually have a sort of half bull run going again. So the zone to watch would be 22.5 to 22.2, 22.3. That's right now my target. What I see us doing is possibly going a little bit up, then we're probably going to fail, and hopefully we do eventually break it and go up again. But like I said before, only time will tell. So what would you need to be trading right now? I've actually opened a copy trading account on Bybit where you're able to follow me. And as you can see, these are the results that I've had where people are following me and making money. Basically, whenever I find a trade that I'm confident in and I want to execute, I'm able to execute this trade, and everyone that's on the list is able to automatically follow all the trades. I've actually made a video about this, which I'll link in the description, explaining everything about copy trading. Basically, you don't have to trade at all. You just let me or anyone else do the trading, and that's it. You just simply sign up with Bybit using the link in the description below. You deposit some funds, and then you go to copy trading, and you can see all the copy traders. And if you actually search for alt crypto gems, you can see I'm over there. You're then able to follow me, and whenever I execute a trade, you're going to execute it as well. The list right now is full, but next Saturday, the list will be increased. As you can see, you have a wait list where you can sign up, so you'll be able to join next Saturday. So, thanks again for watching. Be sure to follow me on Twitter at altcryptogems for all the crypto content, and be sure to subscribe and like this video. If you're interested in copy trading, I'll leave a link in the description to the video and a link to the sign up on Bybit to get the most amount of deposit bonuses and best discount on trading fees. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys learned some from this market update, and on to the next one.